I'm Reinhard Bonke and would like to communicate God's word to you today. I just want to let loose on Jesus. Jesus is the joy of living. He's the King of life to me. Unto him my all I'm giving. He's forevermore to be. I will do what he commands me. Every way he leads, I'll go. Jesus is the joy of living. He's the dearest one I know. That's what I sang when I was young, and it is still true. The longer I serve him, the sweeter he grows. And the more that I love him, more love he bestows. Each day is like heaven. My heart overflows. The longer I love him, the sweeter he grows. Somebody has said, when we open the Bible, then God opens his mouth, because it is his word. And I believe, as I speak to you, just about Jesus, a few different aspects, you will be blessed, as I am blessed.